Hi, this is Granny B, and today I'm gonna show you pirate ship with Jake and the NeverLand pirates of Play-Doh. Look at those. Look at the box. You got Izzy and Jake. Let me turn around. There they are again. And the back of the box. I like the boat. Let's see what's in the box. First the Play-Doh. Blue Play-Doh. Red Play-Doh. And yellow Play-Doh. Okay, let's see what's more in there. Ooh. Here's the pirate ship. That looks good. Okay, I'll show you later what's in there. What you can do with it. This is the cannon. Put that on the ship. And what have we more got in there? Here. Oh, this is a background. That's cute. And what's in here? That's a cute cutter. Two molds for Izzy and Jake. And the cannon is also an extruder. That's pretty good. This is for an anchor. This is for a bomb. And you know what that is, right? Let's see. It's gonna work like this. We're gonna try that out. Let's see how we mount it on the ship. Let's see here. Oh, here. Here's a little hole. Oh, and here is a mold for a barrel or treasure chest. And this is a mold for an anchor. That's it. This is probably for the background here. It's a little slide here. We slide that in. Okay, see first how we put the cannon in. Put it back. Here's the cannon. Let's see what we do with the background. I think it just fits right in here. There you go. That looks good. Let's make some stamps from Jake. Make it big enough. Here we go. To push really hard. He's cute. That's number 1 in red. Let's make him in yellow. There he is. Here we got Jake in yellow. We got one color left. Let's make him also in the blue color. There he comes. Here we got Jake. 3 different colors. So easy to make with the molds. Let's make Izzy with 3 different colors. Put them right here. Put them right there. Now I'm gonna make Izzy. Let's make Izzy. First in yellow. Then a red. And now in blue. Okay. You're cute, Izzy. We put you right here. The red one. That's easy to do. If you want to, you can also mix some colors. I always love mixing colors. Look, we got 3 Izzies. They're cute. It's so easy to do, and you can make a lot more and mix up colors and whatever you like. 3 Izzies, 3 Jakes. Let's see how this extruder works. Turn it around. Let's do this one here. Let's do this one here. Okay. Try this. Put it right in here in the cannon. There you go. Use the extruder. And let's turn them around. See how it works. Here it comes. I have to push it from the other side so you can see. Ooh, all kinds of colors coming out. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Let's try a cutter. Here's the cutter. That works great. That is cool. Let's see what we do. Oh, this one does fit on top of the boat. That looks so cool. I mix the colors, put it right in there. Take it out. I think it's the top of a treasure chest. It looks like it. Look. Oh. Well, let's make a treasure chest then, right? Put it right here. Put it right here. You can see. Okay. Let's make the bottom of a treasure chest. There you go. Okay, see what it looks like. That looks good to me. Now I like to try out what the anchor looks like. Put some Play-Doh in here. That looks good. Here's the anchor. That's gorgeous. Right in there. Let's see what we can do. This right here. Izzy right there. Jake right here. And Jake right there. And here's the treasure chest. Here are the molds. Put them here too. I hope you liked this video about the pirate ship from Play-Doh with Jake and the NeverLand pirates. It was fun and very easy to use. See you next time. Bye bye.